The Starship is more than just a rocket, it's a revolutionary step toward humanity's interplanetary future. Designed by SpaceX, this two-stage system, comprising the Super Heavy booster and the Starship spacecraft, represents a bold vision of fully reusable space travel. Its goal isn't just to launch payloads into orbit but to transform how we explore space, making missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond more accessible and sustainable. As we approach the sixth Starship flight test, the stakes have never been higher. This isn't just another experiment, it's a critical step in proving that rapid and full reusability is achievable. The previous flight showcased groundbreaking achievements, from the dramatic capture of the Super Heavy booster to the precise landing of the spacecraft. Now, this next test is set to push boundaries further, refining the systems and demonstrating capabilities essential for future space missions. SpaceX's efforts are about more than technology, they're about redefining what's possible. The innovations being tested today could pave the way for tomorrow's missions to other worlds. Join us as we explore the intricate journey of the Starship and the milestones that are bringing us closer to unlocking the cosmos. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue to bring you updates on groundbreaking innovations like this. Let's dive into what makes the Starship's sixth flight a game-changer. The story of Starship's development is a testament to SpaceX's relentless pursuit of innovation. Each test flight has been a stepping stone, building upon the successes and lessons of its predecessors. The first 4 flights were marked by challenges, from rapid unscheduled disassemblies to gradual refinements in hardware and software. These early missions were crucial in identifying weaknesses and testing the limits of the system's capabilities. Flight 5, however, marked a turning point. On October 13, SpaceX achieved a major milestone when the Super Heavy booster performed a flawless return and was captured midair using the company's massive chopstick arms. This dramatic recovery not only demonstrated the feasibility of such a bold design but also provided invaluable data to refine the booster's performance. Meanwhile, the Starship spacecraft executed a controlled descent and splashdown in the Indian Ocean, completing its role in the mission with precision. These achievements were more than just technical triumphs, they represented the culmination of years of effort to create a fully reusable launch system. The fifth flight provided a clear validation of SpaceX's approach, proving that the concept of rapid reusability, once considered a distant dream, was within reach. Yet, the journey is far from over. With Flight 6, SpaceX is aiming to expand the system's envelope even further. This test will not only push the boundaries of the booster's recovery capabilities but also introduce new objectives, such as testing Starship's in-space engine burns and advanced re-entry maneuvers. Each milestone brings the company closer to its ultimate vision, a spacecraft capable of enabling sustainable exploration of the solar system. The evolution from Flight 1 to Flight 5 has been nothing short of remarkable, but the upcoming mission promises to be even more ambitious. What lessons will emerge from this next chapter, and how will they shape the future of space exploration? Stay with us as we delve deeper into the details of this groundbreaking test. Flight 6 of SpaceX's Starship program is poised to be its most ambitious test yet, setting the stage for unprecedented advancements in reusable spaceflight. This mission builds upon the foundation laid by previous flights while introducing bold new challenges that could redefine how we think about launching and recovering spacecraft. The test begins with the awe-inspiring launch of the fully stacked Starship and Super Heavy system from SpaceX's Starbase facility in South Texas. This massive mega-rocket, designed for both power and efficiency, will lift off during a carefully timed 30-minute window. The ascent will showcase the system's raw capability to transport heavy payloads and pave the way for interplanetary missions. Once the Super Heavy booster completes its role in propelling the spacecraft, it will attempt a controlled return to Starbase. The goal is to replicate and enhance the dramatic catch maneuver performed during Flight 5, where the booster was captured by SpaceX's towering chopstick arms. This maneuver, executed with pinpoint accuracy, eliminates the need for ocean landings and accelerates the turnaround time for reuse. If conditions prevent a successful catch, the booster will perform a controlled splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico, ensuring the mission remains a success regardless of the outcome. Meanwhile, the Starship spacecraft will separate from the booster and follow a suborbital trajectory. Unlike Flight 5, this test introduces a critical new element, an in-space burn of one of the 6 powerful Raptor engines. This burn will simulate a deorbit maneuver, a capability essential for future missions involving planetary re-entry and precision landings. Testing this feature marks a significant leap in the spacecraft's operational readiness. As Starship begins its descent, it will undertake a series of innovative heat shield and aerodynamic experiments. Engineers aim to evaluate the spacecraft's ability to handle extreme re-entry conditions, with the vehicle flying at a steeper angle during the final descent phase. This maneuver is designed to test its control surfaces and thermal protection systems, ensuring the spacecraft can withstand the intense heat and pressure of re-entry during future missions. The descent culminates in a splashdown in the Indian Ocean, approximately 65 minutes after liftoff. This location and timing, scheduled for daylight hours, will allow for optimal observation of Starship's descent and landing processes, providing engineers with critical visual and telemetry data. Flight 6 is more than just a technical test, it's a comprehensive demonstration of SpaceX's vision for rapid, fully reusable spaceflight. The stakes are high, but so too are the potential rewards. Each phase of the mission, from the precision catch of the Super Heavy booster to the advanced re-entry trials of Starship, is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible, bringing humanity closer to a future where space travel is as routine as flying across continents. As we wait to see how this mission unfolds, one thing is clear: the data and insights gained from Flight 6 will play a pivotal role in shaping the Starship program and the future of space exploration itself. The world is watching, and the journey continues. Flight 6 of the Starship program is not only about testing the limits of existing capabilities but also about implementing critical upgrades that could transform the spacecraft into a truly revolutionary system. SpaceX has made significant improvements to both hardware and software in preparation for this mission, addressing key challenges and paving the way for more reliable and efficient operations. One of the most notable upgrades is the increased redundancy in the booster propulsion systems. Redundancy ensures that even if one component encounters an issue, the system can continue functioning without compromising the mission. This improvement reflects SpaceX's commitment to reliability, a cornerstone of making reusable spacecraft feasible on a large scale. Structural enhancements have also been made to the Super Heavy booster. Reinforcements in key areas provide additional strength to withstand the immense forces experienced during liftoff, flight, and re-entry. These upgrades are essential for extending the lifespan of the booster, ensuring it can endure multiple flights without significant wear and tear. Another critical improvement involves the timeline for offloading propellants from the booster. By streamlining this process, SpaceX has shortened the turnaround time needed to prepare the booster for its next flight. This optimization is a vital step toward achieving rapid reuse, a central goal of the Starship program. The spacecraft itself has also seen advancements, particularly in its heat shield technology. For Flight 6, Starship will test its ability to endure and adapt to the extreme temperatures and pressures encountered during re-entry. The heat shield is one of the most challenging components to perfect, as it must protect the spacecraft while maintaining its structural integrity and maneuverability. This test will also evaluate new re-entry maneuvers, including a steeper descent angle, designed to maximize control and precision during landing. These experiments are crucial for future missions to planets with dense atmospheres, like Earth and Mars. By simulating these conditions now, SpaceX can refine the Starship's design and ensure it performs flawlessly in real-world scenarios. Beyond the immediate objectives, the implications of these upgrades are far-reaching. Every improvement brings SpaceX closer to its ultimate vision, a fully reusable launch system capable of supporting ambitious missions, from deploying satellites en masse to establishing human colonies on other planets. The potential for cost savings and environmental benefits is immense, making space exploration more sustainable and accessible than ever before. As Flight 6 unfolds, these innovations will be put to the test. Success is not just measured in milestones achieved but in the lessons learned from every challenge encountered. Each improvement represents another step forward in SpaceX's relentless pursuit of making space travel safer, more efficient, and ultimately, routine. The mission isn't just about reaching new heights, it's about transforming humanity's relationship with the stars. What lies ahead for Starship is as exciting as the journey it's on right now. Stay tuned for the final phase of this groundbreaking mission. The conclusion of Flight 6 marks a turning point in the Starship program, but it's only the beginning of what SpaceX envisions for the future of space exploration. Each test brings the company closer to a spacecraft system that could revolutionize humanity's access to the cosmos. The lessons learned and data gathered from this mission will shape the next phase of Starship's development, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in reusable space technology. Looking forward, the implications are monumental. A fully operational Starship opens doors to missions that were once relegated to science fiction. From establishing permanent lunar outposts to sending the first humans to Mars, the potential for exploration, scientific discovery, and even interplanetary habitation is unprecedented. Starship isn't just a vehicle, it's a gateway to a future where space is within reach for all of humanity. But these advancements are not without challenges. Every test flight uncovers new hurdles, from perfecting heat shields to refining the mechanics of rapid reusability. SpaceX's iterative approach ensures that each step forward builds on the successes and failures of the past, steadily closing the gap between ambition and reality. It's a process of constant refinement, driven by the understanding that the stakes are as high as the rewards. The impact of Starship extends beyond its technological achievements. It represents a shift in perspective, an invitation for humanity to dream bigger, to see space not as a distant frontier but as a new chapter in our collective journey. It's a reminder that the limits of what we can achieve are defined only by our willingness to innovate and take risks. As Flight 6 comes to a close, it leaves us with more than just technical milestones, it leaves us with hope. Hope for a future where the Moon, Mars, and even the stars are within our grasp. A future where the barriers to space travel are dismantled, and exploration becomes a shared endeavor for all of humanity. So, as we watch these incredible strides toward interplanetary travel unfold, we invite you to join us in this journey. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on groundbreaking missions like Starship, and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, let's explore how innovation today can shape the world, and the universe, of tomorrow. The stars are closer than ever, and this is just the beginning.